What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. Max Opens Everything. Welcome back. Today, I have an unboxing. Big shout out to the people over at the Dole Food Company for sending this over. One of the leading distributors in fruits and vegetables, canned goods, jelly, or I don't know what's in here. I think Dole does a lot of different things. So, hey, let's do this.
Max opens everything. Max opens everything. Max opens everything. Like and subscribe.
We open it up. All right, so here we go. Ah, no way. Look at that. I did not expect them to send over. I was figuring like a can or a vat of like peas or a drink. This is a good looking banana. I don't know if you guys can tell. That yellow is like a perfect, they must have sent it out at the right time for it to like just ripen up. Yeah, really minimal brown spots. Unexpected. I would never have expected. It's where the other bananas were attached. It's crazy now, boom. So let's give it a try though. See, we're gonna peel it off. Ooh, that was smooth. Sometimes it doesn't go that smooth. All right. All right, first impressions when I open it. Look at that. Look at that. That's just, damn. Yeah, Dole. I know they're one of the leading guys in this field, but it's for a reason. All right, cheers. Here we go. Here goes nothing. It's a good freaking banana, guys. Yeah, that's a good banana. Let it rest in the box for a minute. Come back to that. Big shout out to Dole again, and anybody who has anything to send us, again, link that up in the description. Next week, we're gonna be doing some more unboxings, and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.